So many people want to do a full body workout but don't want to go to the gym and also want the equipment to be small enough to fit into an apartment. Well, this is the Kingsmith WM10 Trifold Water Rowing Machine. It is so compact and has some interesting features to it. Just to give you a quick rundown about it, compared to the last gen that we covered almost 2 years ago, this one still has the foldable design but with a dual resistance system, a multifunctional screen, along with some other useful features. These are also the things that it has an edge over some other consumer type of rowers. Now let's get into more details. First, the unboxing. So as you can see, this machine comes in a medium-sized box, not like those long bulky rower you see out there. So in the box, there's a water pump to help with filling the tank with water. There are also the charger and the cable, and of course, a user manual. This machine is foldable like the last gen, which will save you a lot of space at home. It is still a bit over my ability to just take it out, so I tip the box over, then get the machine out. With the handles and the wheels, it is very easy to drag it around. The way to set it up is also very easy. Just turn the bar around, use the handle at the side, unfold it just like a triple folded flyer, then tighten the screws in the middle. Lastly, fill in the tank with the water pump, then it's done. Overall, it only takes 10 minutes to unbox and set it up, easy like a snap. Now, as I've set it up, the foldable design and aesthetic are the first things I would notice at first sight. It is very compact when folded. Specifically, it is about 28.9 by 18.9 by 22.8 inches. Visually, it is just like a 26 inches suitcase. It can be stored in a corner at your house. When unfolded, it becomes a fully functional water rower. Compared to some commercial use ones, it is much more space-saving and friendly to use. More importantly, it blends into the household like a piece of furniture with a lot of wood material used in different sections. Compared to the last gen, the major upgrades are the dual resistant and a better display. We will talk about them in a bit. About the specs, the track is 49.2 inches long, good enough for a residential workout. It supports up to 330 pounds and 7.38 feet people to use. The resistance system is the highlight of this machine as it has both water and magnet in it. It claims to be able to provide up to 110 pounds of pulling force, 77 pounds of water resistance, with a 33 pounds adjustable magnetic resistance. The combination of the water and magnetic resistance allows for smooth rowing and 32 levels of a seamless adjustment. In the use, I did not feel any hiccup and I can try to level up the workout by pushing harder. The resistance has the right level for me and also other people in the studio, which means if you buy this machine, it can be used by the whole family. A very good health investment. Right in the front, there's a digital LED display showing the info of the workout. And more importantly, it features a dial for you to change the settings. A gentle press can get into each of the settings, then twist the dial to change it. The display is bright and it is anti-glare. In a workout, a glance will let you know all the metrics such as distance, 500 meters pace, strokes, calories burned, etc. This is the major highlight of the machine and quite innovative. Naturally, water rower is much quieter than air type rower, and the same goes with this Kingsmith rower. The water splashing sound is very soothing. Even in the living room with the TV on, you can both enjoy the show and sport together. It does not disturb others by any means. Some other user-friendly features are also on board. First is the pedals. It has a large spacing and foot straps. The spacing is 7.48 inches. The foot strap is 1.97 inches. It can accommodate people with different body types or foot sizes, especially for men. Next, the cable is 9.45 inches above the seat, so in every stroke, it will not tangle your knee or legs, makes the experience very smooth. Lastly, the seat has curves at the front, so it does not add pressure to your hip or the thigh, so you will be able to lean forward more. If you have a big belly, this will help you a lot. There's a good design, which is the quick release system of the foot straps. It can be done very smoothly, as you can see. The phone holder needs a bit of an upgrade though. I mean, whenever the phone is on it, it will slip away with every pull, so there's that. There's also the KS Fit app to connect your phone to the machine, so you can control the machine via the phone, track your progress, or customize a workout plan on it. If you own other Kingsmith machines, this app can be used for many machines. So everyone, this is the Kingsmith WM10 water rower. After a couple of times of use, I really enjoyed the rowing on it. Recently, I just picked up the habit of going to the gym again, dealing with those dumbbells. A rower, however, is more of a whole body workout with motion and rhythm. No wonder so many people love it. For this machine, it is foldable, so compact and silent. It has dual and highly customizable resistance, and there is a better display at the front for metrics. Overall, it is just a really good machine for home use. And the resistance is very versatile, so the whole family can use it. If you don't want to go to the gym, try to look into this one instead. There's a link below for you to know more. I'm Will from Geeks from China. See you next time.